feeling overwhelmed? Stress is a universal issue, and it's impacting our lives more than ever. But what if you could find calm amidst the chaos? We often turn to quick fixes that only make things worse. These habits don't address the root of the problem. It's time to transform your stress response. In the next 10 minutes, I'll guide you through proven techniques to find inner peace. Let's start with a simple mindfulness meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes gently, and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Notice any sensations in your body without judgment. Breathing exercises are powerful tools for immediate stress relief. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Progressive muscle relaxation can release physical tension. Tense each muscle group for 5 seconds, then release, noticing the difference. Use visualization to transport yourself to a place of calm. Imagine a peaceful beach, a quiet forest, or any place that brings you joy. With regular practice, these techniques can significantly reduce your stress levels and improve your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more stress relief tips. Share this video with someone who needs